Paano mag-fill up ng healthguard o paano mag-secure ng healthguard QR. So, punta tayo sa ating browser. Ito, browser. Then, i-type nyo dyan ang healthguard.ph. Yan sa may, ano niya, ayan. healthguard.ph. Then, lalabas na ito. So, if you are filling up pang personal, i-click nyo yung personal. Pag nag-fill up kayo or magre-register kayo ng agency or business, click nyo yung business or agency kasi gagamitin yan ng inyong mga tauhan just in case na magta-travel sila for business reason. So, type natin yung ating numbers. Then, select municipality. I am from Madela. Purok 6. Barangay. Select ninyo yung barangay nyo, syempre. Then, agree. Basahin nyo din yung terms and condition kung agree kayo sa mga terms and condition. Ayan, may mga benefits. Ayan. Sinasabi dito sa terms and condition, yung data privacy nyo is nandun. They are not sharing your information unless kailangan talaga. Pero, limited din kung saan sila magsisend ng info. Siyempre, sa mga related agencies or government offices only that needed your info for COVID-19 related thing. So, ayan. Then, agree, register. So, magte-text ngayon sila sa number na nilagay natin for one-time password or OTP. So, na-receive na natin yung one-time password. You have successfully registered. Your user code is blah blah blah. Your OTP is or temporary password is. So, magre-register na tayo ngayon. Magla-login tayo. Balik tayo kay healthguard. Login. Ayan. Naka-generate na tayo ng QR code. So, ito yung pinapa-scan. So, once na nakalagin na kayo for the temporary password, mag-change kayo ng password. Ayan. Change password. Change password. So, naka-change na tayo ng ating password. Try natin yun ulit mag-login. Ayan. Please update your profile to activate contact reporting. So, kailangan na ninyo dito ng mag-submit ng additional info for contact tracing. Oh, ayan. Household members. Kailangan nyo na dyan mag-fill up kung ilan yung household members nyo. Kung meron din yung mga gumagamit sa inyo ng mga health guard. Ayan, pwede nyo dyang ilagay din. Select nyo kung ano yung yung relationship ninyo sa kanila. Update profile. Lagay na niyo dyan yung first name nyo, middle name, last name, kung ano yung gender nyo, marital status, date of birth, place of birth. Ayan. you are a student or employed, yan. Importante talaga yung mga information na ito for contact tracing. Meron din pala dito, update medical history. So, nandito rin pa yung medical history. Pwede ka rin maglagay dito para mas madali nilang maano. So, which of the following signs and symptoms? So, ibig sabihin pala neto, pag nakaregister ka na, kunyari, pwede mong update time to time kung ano yung status mo. Pwede kang mag-update ng status mo dito from time to time. Kasi kagaya dito, which of the following signs and symptoms you have been experiencing? Ayan. So, madali pala sila dito mag-contact tracing talaga. So, I think it's very useful. Very useful to healthguard. Ayun, meron din sila dito. Did you visit someone in an area with reported local transmission of COVID? So, maganda pala to kasi pwede mo siyang update from time to time. So, they're accepting also suggestions. Kung meron kayong mga suggestions, you can send them to HG Technical Support. Andyan po yung ano nila. Kung gusto nyo mag-send ng suggestions. Ayan. Nandito, change password, edit profile, or magla-log out ka. So, yun lamang guys. And thank you for watching. Keep safe everyone. God bless.